Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make money online using grass.io, step by step. First, open your browser and go to the grass.io website. I also dropped a link in the description. It's a referral link, so if you use it, it helps me out. If you don't want to use it, you can just type the website into your browser manually. Once the site loads, click the Start Now button at the top right. From here, choose the Google option to create your account quickly. After you're signed in, the site will show a pop-up asking you to download the app. Just close that pop-up for now. Set your username, save it, and you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, look at the left sidebar and click on Store. Now, select Have a Different Device. You'll see download options for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Choose your device, download the file, and install the Grass app. Once installation is complete, open the app and sign in using the same Google account you used earlier. If you see the message Grass is connected, you're all set. You can now minimize the app and it will earn you passive income automatically by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. To check your earnings, go back to your dashboard and open the Earnings Statistics section. Your daily income may vary depending on your internet speed, location, and how long you stay connected. If you want to withdraw your earnings, click Rewards on the left sidebar. Then click Connect Wallet. Grass only supports crypto withdrawals, so choose a wallet like Phantom, Solflare, or Bybit. Once your wallet is connected, you'll be able to withdraw your Grass tokens anytime. Grass also has a referral program. Go to Referral Program on the left sidebar and click Share with Friends to copy your link. Anyone who signs up through your link boosts your earnings automatically. And that's it. That's how you use grass.io to earn passive income online. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.